What are you doing?
Hey, Blake.
Go follow it down. Do it again, Kevin. That was hilarious.
It's kind of hard for me to do right now.
Do it.
I'm dead.
Please, I'm videotaping.
Come on, Blake, let's do it. Come on. Have it.
That was hilarious, Blake. Blake, say hi. I think that's a little too small for you, honey. You might hurt yourself again.
You like my bike? You like my bike?
He's like, I'll get on the lawnmower.
It's got a horn on it. Hi.
I have my eye on you, Blake. I can see you, little boy. Blake. Blake Eugene, get away from that grill now. It's not on, but I still don't want you over there. Alright, I just wanted you guys to see Blake being hilarious. Kev being a douche.
Hey, you know what?
I love you too, honey.
You know what?
I love you too.
Guess what?
Blakey poo. Ow. Quit. Alright. Everybody say bye-bye.
Bye!
Kevin Sean.
Sorry. I'm playing golf.
Say bye-bye, Blake. Say bye-bye. Go.